All right, today we are going to, or this assignment is going to be the optional assignment. So if you go into Google Classroom, it might be a different class, but you should see this assignment near the bottom, scrolling down to optional. So optional, scrolling down to optional right here. And this assignment is going to talk about the Tinkercad assignment in 3D, for 3D shapes. So we're going to click on this, open this up, view the assignment. All right, so here's the assignment. You're going to open up this Google slide as well, and that's going to allow you to copy and paste things in here when you finish them. All right, so first thing we want to do is watch this video, which is or read all these directions, which hopefully you've already done, since the second thing you're going to do is watch this video that we're making right now. That link is there now. But anyway, after you do that, you're going to click on this link. It's going to take you into Tinkercad and join the classroom. Now, you're going to want to click on Google other providers right here. So click on this, just like it says in the directions. Click on the login with Google other providers, the G, and use your SmyrnaEagles.org account. So let's do that. Okay. It should, since I'm already logged in here, it should come on up with my demo account. And go ahead and, no, I do not want emails sent to you guys. So if you don't want emails sent to you, you don't have to click that, but just say continue. All right, and we're ready to learn these moves basically. So let's close this, and we're going to start with learn over here, top left, learn, just like it says in the directions. Click on learn at top right, and click on see all starters at the bottom. So where's that at? See all starters. So here's starters, but all the way at the bottom it said, oh, right here. See all starters. So we're gonna click on that. And this is what we're gonna work through. We're gonna work through all of these. When you finish one, it'll take you right to the next one automatically. You'll see that in a few minutes. But that's what we're gonna start with. Let's see what the directions say. Read and complete the directions on the left of the screen for any starter lesson for extra credit. See below. Capture the screen, see the directions below, before clicking done and paste into the attached, some spelling there, Google slide. So again, that's the attached Google slide. We already have it open. But here are the points that you get. If you do place it, it's 1 point. You view it, 3 points, move it 2, all these are 2, and then these last 2 are 3 points. Screen capture, depending on whether you have a Chromebook, you can go here. If you have a Mac, you can learn how to do that here. If you're not sure, if you have a PC, you can learn how to capture the screen here as well. Okay, so let's go back to Tinkercad and let's just try place it. So place it is going to have, like the directions said in Google Classroom, directions here on the left. So just go ahead, 2 steps. Welcome to Tinkercad. We're excited to have you with us. Tinkercad is used to build all types of creations by adding or removing shapes from the design workspace. Let's add a shape to the work plane. So this is the work plane as it's identified right here. And see the orange shape on the work plane. So that's the instructions. See the orange shape on the work plane. Huh. Anyway, this is in the way right now, so I'm going to close this. This does tell us a little bit of how to place notes on things. We're going to take this box, it looks like from the picture, and I would blow these up. It says take this box and put it there. So that's the directions, and that's what we're going to do. Put that right there. Oh, I guess that's the orange box. I get it now. Okay. And it says, see the orange shape in the work plane. We did. That's a hint. Hints help guide you as you get started. I need to scroll down. Find the box shape in the shapes panel, which is over here, basic shapes panel. And on the right side of the screen, over here, the right, and left click, that's the normal click, the one on the left, and drag that box shape into the work plane. And that's what I just did. Did it. Continue to the next step. So hit next. That's it. You did it. Great work. That's why that one is, you can also, that's why that one was not as many points. You can click on this to make that go away so you can see a little bit better. Hit, take a screenshot of this. So depending on what kind of computer you have, you can take a capture a screen. I'm going to use my snipping tool. And I'm going to capture this stuff here. And then I'm going to copy that and put it into here and paste. There, that's all I need to do. That gives me some extra credit points. Now I'm going to go back, click done, and now I can go to view it, which is the next one. Click continue. And you just keep working through these different things, following the directions on the left to complete as many of these as you'd want to get the points that you want. So again, it's nice to click on this. It's talking about this box up here, how to view things, close it here. So anyway, while creating designs, it helps you see your shape from all sizes. The view cube, this one up here, located at the top left of Tinkercad, again, top left, will help you look around. Let's learn how to change your view. So if you scroll down here, it says just left click, that's the normal click, and drag anywhere on the view cube and see how it changes the view. So like that, click and drag, change the view however you like it. Here it is, changing that view. Get back to where we want it, okay? Try clicking different areas of the view cube. So then it says click on that, and click on that, click on that, and click on this, click on that, click under here, click under here. Just trying all these different clicks, okay? Then it says continue the next step. All right, so now, again, you can click on this to make it a little bit bigger if you want. See what you got to do. Sometimes helps. Sometimes I'm like, what are they trying to show me? But anyway, it says if you have a mouse with a scroll wheel, use it for zooming in and out. So here I have a mouse, so I'm clicking it, and it zooms in or zooms out. You can also use these. Zoom in, zoom out. If you have a touchpad, you can use that as well. Okay. And let's look around. You see how to rotate using the view cube. So now we can press and hold the right mouse. Press and hold the right mouse button, that's this one, and move this around. Rotate it any way we want. So just several different ways to move around and view what you're making. Scroll down. If you want, use your touchpad. Control and left click while you drag. So I don't have a touchpad on this computer, but if you have that, try that out. And then continue to the next step, and we're done. So again, take a screen capture of this. Capture it. Copy it. Paste it in here. Here we go. And that's how it works. And then you're just going to keep going through. And if you hit done, it'll take you to the next one. Move it. Follow those directions. And that's all I'm going to show you today. But I think you got the hang of it, hopefully, of what you need to do just to continue through these, taking screen captures, putting them in the Google Doc so I can see it, and then I can give you your extra credit points.